Alright mga Lods, so welcome back po sa ating YouTube channel. Once again, this is The Veracity, and for today's video, I want to share with you guys isang website na kung saan pwede tayong maka-earn ng pera sa GCash, sa PayPal, or pwede rin po sa e-loan. So pangalan ng website ay si flipheroes.me. So I will be putting the link on the description box below para kayo po ay madaling makapag-sign up using this website. Makita po natin dito sa pinaka-website natin, naka-prepare na po yung ating pinaka-leaderboard. So dito sa pinaka-leaderboard po niya, ito po yung mga existing users. Actually, dito natin makikita yung mga top players dito sa website na ito na si flipheroes.me. As you can see, number 1 or nangunguna si Sean Carl Sardani na merong 48,761 points. So mamaya po ipapakita ko sa inyo kung magkano yung minimum amount para tayo ay makapag-withdraw or payout gamit si flipheroes.me. So kung kayo po ay nasa sign up page ng website na ito, ito lang po yung kinakailangan natin para tayo ay makapag-sign up. Kinakailangan lang po yung ating name, email address, password, and you have to confirm your password. Kasama po dyan yung ating referral code, which is optional, at kapag na-fill out nyo na po lahat ng iyan is i-click nyo na po yung register. So balik tayo doon sa pinaka-website natin. So ito nga po yung pinaka-leaderboard ng ating pinaka-website. So next part ng website dito sa ating dashboard, kapag click po natin yan, so lilitaw yung page na ito. Yun po yung pinaka-dashboard natin. Ano ba yung makita natin sa ating pinaka-dashboard? Nandito po yung ating total points. So halos kakasimula ko pa lang po nito. It means wala pa po akong proof of payout. And I have 0 invited. Earnings natin is 0 at token farm. So mamaya papakita po natin kung ano yung only farm or token farm na binabanggit ni flipheroes.me. So ito po yung pinaka-summary ng lahat ng mga activities natin sa website na ito or sa flipheroes.me, as well as nandyan yung mga profile information natin, which is kinakailangan natin i-update sooner or later para sa ating pag-payout. Pwede natin i-update ang ating password sa page na ito. So next part na titingnan po natin after ng dashboard is yung pinaka-game. So it means paano ba tayo maka-earn ng points using flipheroes.me. So kapag click po natin ito, lilitaw yung page na ito na sa flipheroes. So do you want to have fun by flipping a token? So ito po yung mechanics na paglalaro. Try this one out. Choose between heads or tails and start flipping a token. So parang toss coin lang. Pipili ka kung head or tail. At kapag yung ginas mo or hinulaan mo, yun ang lumitaw is yung katumbas na token na iyong nilagay doon sa iyong game. In that particular part is meron siyang particular points na pwedeng malaro. So ako po yung naglaro na dito ng 2 times, no? So yung isa is talo at yung isa is panalo. So meron akong 10 points doon sa aking napanalunan. So zero balance pa rin po siya at meron pa tayong 180 tokens remaining. So ibig sabihin po yung free token po natin, I think, which is 100 every hour, is meron tayong nadadagdag na tokens na 100 pieces of tokens every hour na madadagdag doon sa free natin. Okay, so tuloy natin. Every 1 hour will provide a token that you can use to make a flip. If you want to win on every flip, you will get flip token. Flip token can also be used in multiplayers flip matches. Don't have enough token and tired of waiting to claim another token? Come and try our farm token system, in which you are going to answer surveys to get more tokens. So mamaya po titingnan natin yung farm token page niya, no? And always remember, flip token is created to lessen your burden and provide you another way to make yours. The more token you bet, the less chances of winning. Spend your token wisely. Okay, the more token you bet, the less chances of winning. So 1 bet natin is 50%, 10 bet natin is 40%, tsaka yung 20 bet natin is 30% chance. So 1 bet natin, so ibig sabihin kapag isa lang yung bet is mas malaki yung chance para manalo dito. So yun ang criteria ng paglalaro dito. Ibig sabihin kapag mas mataas yung binet mong token is mas mababa yung chance na ikaw ay manalo. Okay? So, ito yung paglalaro. So, flip a coin. Heads or tails, the unbiased way to track your luck. So, paano ba yan gumagana? So, let us say, tokens bet. Dito sa tokens bet, meron po siyang drop down menu dito. Ang choices natin is 1, 10, and 20. So, kapag pumili ka, example 1, at pinili mo is heads, so click mo lang yung heads. Kapag lumitaw yung heads is panalo ka. So, I think yan yata yung pinaka heads. Wait. Right, so yun. So you lose. So tails. So yan yung logo ng tails. So try natin ulit. Heads. O tails siya ulit. Okay, so you win. Again. So talo tayo. Yan yung tail. And don't give up. Okay, heads. Very encouraging. So you lose again. Okay, so head siya. And then so nanalo tayo. You're on fire. So you win. So dito sa points natin is meron tayong 12 points. At meron tayong 174 tokens remaining at madadagdagan pa yan after an hour. Okay? And then, punta tayo dito sa farm token. Ito yung part ng farm token. So, dito sa farm token, sabi nga ng mechanics kanina, is kailangan natin magsagot ng survey para madagdagan yung ating mga tokens. So, paano ba yan? So, wanna have more token to flip, to make a flip? Try this one. Farm token system will give you more tokens and all you need to do is answer surveys that we provided. Each correct answer will give you a corresponding farm tokens. Farm tokens can be used to purchase more tokens that you can use in making a flip. Farm tokens will have a limit per day to avoid abuse and cheating. Always remember, Flip Heroes is created to lessen your burden and provide you another way to make you stay at home and an enjoyable one. So stay safe and save lives. So if you run out of token, farm here and convert it to flip token. So meron siya 120 seconds. So click start natin. So ganyan yung ginagawa niya. Para siyang yung typing sensei dati, kung naalala ninyo. So ito yung ginagawa natin dito. So para madagdagan lang yung ating flip token para mas marami tayong mag-game, ma-play na laro. I mean, so you can choose this one for at least 120 seconds. So each okay, sorry. So sundin lang natin yung sinasabi ng text, and then we will be having a token afterwards. So the faster you type every words is the more chance that you will have tokens dito. And so meron pa tayong 60 seconds. So let us do our best regarding this part. So kind circus. Anyway guys, baka meron kayong alam or kilala na naghahanap ng nag-hire for typing job. So pwede po tayo dyan. You can recommend me with your friend, mga guys. May kasamang promotion. Okay. Anyway, para hindi lang tayo maboring. Alright, so 11. So meron tayong 22 seconds. Difficult. 9 seconds. Two. Okay, good job. So, naka-score tayo ng 62. At meron pa ba? Yan. So, wala na. Alright. So, game over. You can farm again in 1 hour or 2 hours. So, 2 oras. So, convert points natin. So, yung minimum is 100 points. which is equivalent to 10 flip token. So yan yung farm token. So napakadali lang, no? Wala naman siyang mahirap na survey na sinasagutan para ka nagta-type doon sa Typing Sensei, doon sa only flip, doon sa farm token. Another part is dito sa referrals po natin. Anyway guys, yung aking link on the description box below, honest to goodness, naglalaman niyan ng referral link ko. So, kapag kayo nag-sign up using that, I believe, there are some points na mapupunta sa aking account. So, if you want to use it, that is optional. Nasa inyo po yan, guys. So, kung gusto nyo copyin ng inyong referral link, nandito po siya. So, i-copy lang natin yan. So, copy the text and that's it. So, referred user, claim referrals, pending referrals. Okay? So, merong konting effort on our part para maka-earn ng points dito. So, next part natin is withdrawal. So, magkano yung minimum withdrawal or points para tayo ay makapag-withdraw. Okay, so wala pa tayong withdrawal history since kakasimula lang natin dito. So, withdrawal form. Fill up the form and enjoy your reward. Please expect 5 to 15 working days to process your withdrawal. So, medyo matagal. And thank you ang sabi ni FlipHeroes.me. Meron siyang available withdrawal for GCash, which is minimum amount is $2. Kay PayPal naman is minimum withdrawal is $4. Please note that some fee charges may apply. So, possible. So, sharing of payout details is prohibited. Example, 1 GCash account is equal to 1 account only. Also applicable in PayPal. So, isang account lang yung pwedeng gamitan ng isang account dito. So, payout method natin. So, kapag naabot na ninyo yung minimum amount dito, so magkano ba? So example, available yan sa eLoad, GCash, and PayPal. But stating above, eLoad and PayPal lang yung available niya. Okay, example, piplay natin yung GCash. And convert points natin, ito yung minimum amount. So $1 is equivalent to 5,000 points. Okay, $2 is equivalent to 10,000 points, $4 is equivalent to 20,000 points, and $5 is equivalent to 25,000 points. So please update your user information in dashboard in order to withdraw. Thank you. So yun lang. So yan lang yung hinihingi niya. So guys, I just want to share this website sa iyo ng pangalan ay si FlipHeroes.me. I hope you will enjoy playing this game using this website. At least kahit paano habang ikaw ay nasa bahay, naglalaro ka, you have chance to earn kahit kakaunting amount lang. And I know most of us is we are using Bitcoin para tayo ay mag-mine. So ito konting effort lang para tayo ay maka-earn. So thank you very much guys for watching this video. So dako tayo sa pagpili ng ating nanalo from the previous video. And